this Ford Windstar, and it's having a rough idle. I replaced the PVC valve, and you'll see a little milkiness in there. There was steam coming out of the air intake that worried me, and oil cap, you'll see, is milky. But it's been sitting for a while, so I think it's just condensation. I took off this intake, checked the gasket, and I noticed back here there is another connection that wasn't there. That was whoever worked on this last did not reconnect that. So I'm gonna reconnect it and see if that fixes it. Holy Christ, the crab apple. It's purring. That fixed it. Hopefully that helped you out.